If you prefer a data-based buying guide, then you are in the right place. Welcome to our channel. We are techies, not salesmen. No flashy words or biased opinions. We made this list based on the big data collected from customers, manufacturers, as well as our data providers. Thanks to our exclusive unsupervised learning AI system, analyzing and comparing all these products couldn't be more accurate or efficient. We list the best buy products and their competitive advantages. This list includes options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and the updated prices on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below and feel free to subscribe. Okay, now let's start our list.
Presto Fry Daddy Electric Deep Fryer makes fabulous French fries, chicken, onion rings, donuts, and more. Frying is easy because the Fry Daddy maintains the perfect frying temperature automatically with no controls to set. It makes 4 servings of French fries using just 4 cups of oil because there's no messy basket to waste valuable space inside the fryer. Instead, the handy scoop stirs, separates, lifts, drains, and serves. The snap-on lid stores oil right in the fryer without spills or odor. And the non-stick coating, inside and out, simply wipes clean for crispy, crunchy, deep-fried foods, fast and easy. The Presto Fry Daddy Deep Fryer. Also available, the larger 6-cup Grandpappy Deep Fryer with all the same features.